Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Alhamdulillah, thumma alhamdulillah. Today we are starting our new surah, and that is Surah Al-An'am. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Bis. For kasra, give E sound attached with sin. Sin will get sifa of rakhawa. Bismil. This sin has rakhawa. Nil. For kasra, give E sound attached with lafz jalala. Lafz jalala will be light because there is kasra before it. Milla. La. Lafz jalala, it's always two counts long. Here. He, ha is light, and for kasra, give E sound attached with ra. Ra will get sifa of tawassut. Here, and ra will be heavy because it has fatha. Here, rah, and ha will get sifa of rakhawa and hams. Rah, ma, two counts long, and meme should not, and this long vowel should not have the gunna sound. Yes, meme is harf gunna. It will naturally be from your nose, but not the long vowel. Ma, niru. For kasra, give E sound attached. Ra will be heavy because there is fatha on it, and it will get tawassut first. Nirrah, rah, and attached. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa. Nirrah, nirrahim. For kasra, give E sound attached. Ra, nirrahim. He will be 4 counts long because we are giving temporary sukun on meme. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long into 4. This is mad arid lis sukun. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Al Hamza is sharp, fatha open jaws, attached lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. That means we are not making it too long and we are not making it too short. Alham, ha from your throat, fatha open jaws, attached with meme, you will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Hamdu, for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Lil, for kasra, give E sound, attached with lam. Lafz jalala will be light because there is kasra before it. And lafz jalala is always, lafz jalala is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is always long and it is 2 counts long. Hil, lillah, hil, ha, for kasra, give E sound, attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Hilla, la. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. The, give 2 counts long. And give this dab sound in dal by placing your tongue under your 2 teeth, frontal 2 teeth. And this sound should be there because if you are not giving this the sound, it will be heard like dal. So it's not dal, it's the 2 counts long. Kha is heavy for fatha upon jaws. Lam is light. Between 2 heavy letters, kha is heavy, qaf is heavy, so we are not making lam heavy. Be very careful about it. Kha, la, qas. Qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws, attached with sin. Sin will get sifa of rakhawa. It is light and it has safir. Qassa. We are giving rafawa, but we are not giving stress on sin. Khalaqassa. The rakhawa, the sound of rakhawa should flow. It should not have that shidda sound in it. It should not have that strong, like you should not stop the sound, but let it flow. Khalaqassa for fatha upon jaws. Ma, 2 counts long. Wa, 2 counts long. Be careful about your sound. It should not go in your nose. T for kasra, give E sound. Well, makhraj of waw is circling your left fatha open jaws, attached lam. Lam will get sifa up tawassut. Well, aw. Hamza is sharp, fatha open jaws, attached ra. Ra will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Aw. And ra will get sifa up tawassut. Tawassut is medium flow sound. Aw. Dha is heavy. Fatha open jaws, and the sound is short. Makhraj of waw circling your lips, fatha open jaws. Ja. Jim has no sound of hums in it. If it will get hums, it will sound like ch. It's not waja, but it is waja, ja. It is very majhura sound. There is no flow of breath or a sound. وج ج ع عين from your throat. Put fatha open jaws. لو. And for fatha open jaws attached dha. Dha will be heavy. It is heavy. It has raqawa and yes. So لو. And the sound should flow. لو for dhamma circular lips and the sound is short with dhamma. Lu for dhamma circular lips, the sound is short. Ma 2 counts long. T for kasra give E sound. One makhraj of our circling your lips. Fatha open jaws attach it noon. Noon you get sifa of gunna and this gunna is atmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. One noor. Because of this waqf, we are giving temporary sukun on ra. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4, and this is mad arid li sukun. والنور ثم for the circle ellipse attached meme will get sifa off غنة and this غنة is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. مل ففتح open jaws attached lam lam will get sifa off توسط لا and ففتح open your jaws, the sound is short. The make sure you place your upper part of your tongue under the frontal two teeth, the edge of frontal two teeth, and that will give this the sound in the na for fatha open jaws. Ka kaf for fatha open jaws. There is no humps when kaf is mutaharika. When kaf is with fatha, dhamma or kasra, it does not have humps. Ka fa give fa humps for fatha open jaws. Uru ra is heavy because it has dhamma on it and it is 2 counts long. كفروا B for kasra give E sound. رب for fatha ra is heavy because it has fatha and when it is attached in ba, it will get sifa of shidda, so the sound will cut off. Rabbi for kasra give E sound. Him. You're not giving too much pressure on ba, otherwise it will sound like P of Pakistan, like p sound. No, it's not p sound, it's b sound. Rabbi, Rabbi, him. Because E sound attached, meme will get above the wasuk and hukmuhu idhar. Yeah. For fatha open jaws attached, the ain will get above the wasut. It should not cross the boundary of the wasut and should not enter the domain of Rakawa. It is short, but it should be from your throat. Yeah, D for kasra give E sound. Loon. Because of this buff, you're giving temporary sukun here. On noon, this temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarid li sukun. الحمد لله الذي خلق السماوات والأرض خلق السماوات والأرض وجعل الظلمات والنور ثم الذين كفروا بربهم يعدلون. Who for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Well, مخرج of circling ellipse فتح open jaws attached لام لام will get صفة التوسط and the wasit is medium full of sound. La for fatha open jaws. The 2 counts long. Kha is heavy for fatha open jaws. La lam is light. Lam is between 2 heavy sounds, but be careful. Keep lam light. Kha la kha kha la kha kum. This has this is idgham shafawi. Meme sakina is merging into meme mutaharika. This is idgham shafawi, so it will get akmal gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. خلقكم من and this when we are giving ikhfa here. So we should not forget about the kasra of this meme. It should stay ni. And then we are creating heavy ikhfa. We are going towards the makhraj of to. We are hiding the sound of noon and keeping the sound in our nose. Ti, 2 counts long. And make sure you are making to heavy. To is the heaviest letter in Quran. Ti, and it has itbaq. So give the itbaq. Place your tongue up on the palate. Qi, nya. This ikhfa is light because tha is among light letter. So for this ikhfa, you are keeping the tongue straight and going towards the makhraj of tha. Nya, thumma for the circle ellipse attach it meme, we will get sifa kunna. This kunna is sakmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Qaf is heavy for fatha open jaws. La, this is mad munfasil jais, so make it 4 counts long. La, very sharp sound for fatha open jaws. Ja for fatha open jaws, and the sound is short. La, this is mad awad. You are exchanging the sound of tanween into mad letter, so that's why it is called mad awad. Mad means to stretch, and awad means to exchange. So you are exchanging one sound to another. That's why it is called mad awad. Ajala و مخرج الواو circling your lips for put open jaws. Hamza is very sharp for put open jaws. The sound is short. Ja for put open jaws. There's no humps in it. The breath should not escape while you are saying jim. Ja 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 wa aja lum. This is idgham. وغنة. So you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. لم for the circle lips. سم ففتح open jaws attach it. ميم will get sipa off. غنة. This غنة is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. من. This is إظهار. So you're giving tawassut here first, and then yes, this will be إظهار. مسمى. Ain for kasra, for ain should be from your throat. For kasra, give e sound, and then there is ikhfa. There are so many things coming up together, so be very careful. Give kasra nice sound, and then ain should be from your throat, and then this ikhfa is like in. No, this is dal. So you're keeping the tongue straight. Ayan, da, da. Fatha open jaws, the sound of dal will be short because it's not a mad letter. Da. And how will get sifa off? Thum for the circle ellipse attach it. Meme will get sifa off. Unna, this unna is sakman, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. This is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. You're keeping the sound in your nose, you're hiding the sound of noon, and you're going towards the makhraj of ta. How you can figure out if you're close to makhraj of ta or not? So try saying it at tu, at tu. So can you feel the tongue touching ta at here? This is the sound. This is the place where your tongue should be close to, but no, don't touch it until you say the letter ta. So attu, atu, atum. For Dhamma, circle ellipse. Attach with meme, you will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Tam, for fatha upon jaws, attach with meme, you will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Ta, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Urun. Because of the buff, you are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarid al-sukun. And while you are making it long, it should not go. This long vowel should not go in your nose. Yes, when you say noon with the wasut, that you will engage your nose, but not here. هو الذي خلقكم من طين ثم قضى أجلا وأجل مسمى عنده وأجل مسمى عنده ثم أنتم تمترون ثم أنتم تمترون for makhraj of circle your lips for fatha open jaws. Who for the circle your lips, the sound is short. Well, keep wow light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Wallah, law, and lafz jalala is always long. Who for the circle your lips, the sound is short. Fis for kasra give e sound attached with sin will get sifa of rakhawa. So let the sound flow. You should not block the sound. You should not press your the edge of your upper teeth on the spot too hard that it closes the sound of the flow of scene. So this let the sound flow. This for fatha and just ma 2 counts long without the gunna sound in your nose when you're saying long vowel. Ma, wa, 2 counts long. T for kasra give E sound. Wa, makhraj of vowel circle in your lips, fatha open jaws. Feel for kasra give E sound attached with lam, lam will get zip off the wasut. Aw, hamza is sharp for fatha open jaws attached with ra, will get zip off the wasut. And it is heavy because there is fatha before it. Ardi, God is heavy for kasra give E sound. And it has a block, so lift your tongue up nicely to pronounce this heavy letter. Yeah. Keep ya soft fatha open jaws attached with ain. Ain will sip off the wasut, and ain should be from your throat. Yeah. La for fatha open jaws. Mu for the muscle lips. The sound is short. Siru for kasra give E sound attached with ra. Ra will be heavy because there is fatha on it. Siru. Ra, ra for fatha open jaws. Kum for the muscle lips attached with mim will get sip off the wasut, and hukmuhu idhar. Wa makhraj of waw circle in your lips fatha open jaws. Ja for fatha open jaws attached with ha will get sip off ra. Ja, ra is heavy for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Kum for the muscle lips attached with mim will get sip off the wasut, and hukmuhu idhar. Wa makhraj of waw circle in your lips fatha open jaws. Yeah, keep ya soft. Ain from your throat, and ain should have tawassut. Yeah. La for fatha open jaws. Mu for the muscle lips. The sound is short. Ma 2 counts long. Tak for fatha open jaws attached with kaf. Kaf will get sip of hums, and hums is flow of breath. How you will create it? You will give shidda first. You will block the makhraj first, and then open it, and the force behind it will give you hums, and that is flow of breath. Tak, tak. C for kasra give E sound. Boon. Because of this work, you're giving temporary sukoon. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into longer vowel. This is mad arid sukoon. هو الذي خلقكم من طين ثم قضى أجلا وأجل مسمى عنده ثم أنتم تمترون وهو الله في السماوات وفي الأرض يعلم سركم وجهركم ويعلم ما تكسبون. ومخرج of واو circle in your lips for fatha open jaws. Ma 2 counts long. Ta for fatha open jaws attached with hamza. Hamza will get cut off the sound because it is shidda sound. Shidda letter. Ta T 2 counts long. Him for kasra is attached with mim. This is idgham shafawi, and it has gunna, akmal gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Him, min, for kasra give E sound attached. Noon will get sip off the wasund, and hukmuhu idhar. Min, 2 counts long. Keep hamza sharp and alif from your jawf. Hamza should be from your throat. Alif should be from your jawf. So the sound should be very clear and nice. To yeah, yeah, is soft, and for fatha open jaws, the sound is soft and short. Team idgham baguna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Team min for kasra give E sound attach it noon gets it off the wasut, and hukmuhu idhar. 2 counts long. Yeah, keep ya soft and make it 2 counts long. T for kasra give E sound. Ra is heavy for fatha open jaws attach it ba will get sip of shidda. The shidda is strong, so you're cutting off the sound. Rab, the makhraj is cutting off the sound. It's blocking the makhraj to to let the sound flow. There is no flow at all. Rabbi for kasra give E sound. Him for kasra give E sound attached with mim will get sip of the wasat, and hukmuhu idhar. Illa 2 counts long. Ka 2 counts long. Nu for the muscle lips, make it 2 counts long. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws attach it. Noon will get sip of the wasat, and hukmuhu idhar. Ha 2 counts long. Mu for the muscle lips attach it. Ain will get sip of the wasat. tawassut, and it should be from your throat. Ri for kasra give e sound. Dhin. Because of this verb, you are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this to count vowel into 4. This is mad arid less sukun. وما تأتيهم من آية من آيات ربهم إلا كانوا عنها معرضين. Give Hams in Fa for Fatha upon Jaws. Qad, Qaf is heavy, Fatha upon Jaws attached with Dal. Dal will get Qalqala and Dal is light. Why I'm saying so? It's always light, but because of this cough, when any letter, heavy letter comes beside light letters, we tend to make the light letter heavy too. So be very careful about it. فقد 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 كذ. For fatha, with kaf, you are not giving any hums. Kaf is very clear here. For fatha upon jaws attached with dal, dal will get sifa of rakhawa. Let the sound flow. Don't give too much pressure on your tongue when you're saying that. For fatha upon jaws. Boo for the circle, make it 2 counts long. Bil for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. And yes. Bil haqqi for fatha upon jaws. Haqqi. You are not giving too long time for the shidda, but be quick when you're saying haqqi, haqqi, and ha from your throat with hums. Haqqi for kasra give e sound. Lam for fatha upon jaws attached with mim will get sifa off. Gunna, this gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma, 2 counts long. Ja, mad mad muttasil wajib. Ja, for fatha upon jaws. Make sure you're giving this long vowel its haq and hamza its haq. Why? Because we sometimes merge this hamza into this mad sound. So this is not jais. We have to give both letters its right. جاءهم for the circle ellipse attached with mim will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Fa, give hams in fa for fatha upon jaws. When you're giving fa, you're not pressurizing your upper two teeth on your lower lip, but let the sound flow. This is rakhawa, this is hams, and the if you are giving too much pressure, you're blocking the sound to flow. So be very careful. Fa has hams, so let the breath flow. Fa, fa, yes. Fa, so this is lean, so make it soft. So, fa, give hams in fa. Yeah, yeah, it's soft for top and jaws. That's it. Hamza, Hamza will get sifa of shidda. So you're cutting off the sound very abruptly. Yeah, T, 2 counts long. Him, for kasra give weak sound attached. Mim will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Hamza is sharp for top and jaws attached. Mim. This is iqlab. You're changing. What iqlab means? Iqlab it means to change the sound of noon into meme. So we are changing the sound of noon into meme. That is why it is called iqlab, and we are keeping the sound in our nose very clearly. Ba. This is muttasil wajib. U for the circle ellipse. The sound is short. Why we are not making it long or something? We are not using this alif because it has 0. Whenever you will see this 0, you are not pronouncing that letter. Amba'u, ma, 2 counts long, ka, 2 counts long, and keep kaf light. Nu for the circle ellipse and make it 2 counts long. B for kasra give e sound. He, 2 counts long. Yes for fatha upon jaws attached sin. Sin will get sifa of rakhawa, and it has safir and it is light. Yes, ta is very sharp for fatha upon jaws attached ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa and keep ha light. Ta, z for kasra give e sound. Un. Because of this fuck, we are giving temporary sukun on noon. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 or longer. فقد كذبوا بالحق لما جاءهم فسوف يأتيهم يأتيهم أنباء ما كانوا به فسوف يأتيهم أنباء ما كانوا به يستهزئون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.